bike check on this 99, pretty sure it's 99 Voodoo Hoodoo. This is the yellow bike that I brought up here a couple months back, maybe a few months back. I bought that Shirley fork for 26-inch wheel, and since it was black, I didn't want to repaint it, so I painted the frame, the front half black, the rest metallic gray. Rust-Oleum, rattle can stuff. I cut out some blue duct tape, blue masking tape, and wrote the Voodoo, and kind of hand painted that, the Voodoo logo. Kind of, I don't know. I had to put this this front brake stop on the fork because I've got this DK BMX stem, and I didn't want to put a steer tube brake stop, so that worked out pretty good. Those are Goon bars, painted in black. It's got the XT thummies, some big SLR brake levers. Those are some old school Dior cantilevers, and I painted in black. It's got the race face XTR crank combo that was on there before. LX for derailleur. I still got these Mammoth Sun Rim Mammoth wheels that I've had forever. LX hubs. I made the seat. I've had the seat forever, and I had an old spring type of seat, and I just drilled this and I put it on there, and it's working out pretty nice. Pretty nice. Some Ori grips. Ringley piece brake hanger, 7-speed in the back. It's got a granny in there, a front derailleur. I don't know where I got it, but I put it on there yesterday. Got to have that granny to climb up here. Tough climb as always, but those Goon bars on that 26er actually did pretty good. Bike is looking pretty solid. I think today I'm gonna go down Ken Burton to Paul Little, back down to the JPL parking lot. It should be all right. It's about 8:30. No, it's probably about 8:30. Not many people here on Sundays, at least not yet. There's the trail.